Hey, welcome back. Van here. Today I'm going to do a recipe that Daniel Rampley asked me to do. This is a smoked cabbage. So what we're going to do with the smoked cabbage is we're going to take and peel off some of these outer leaves. We're going to core the center. We're going to core the center of this cabbage out. We're trying not to cut our thumb off. Alright, we're going to keep going with it. There you go. Get a little more out. We've got our smoker going right now, getting it heated up. Alright, we're going to do 2 of these. Save your top to go back in it. I guess you could save this and make some slaw out of it, couldn't you? Okay, what we've got here is Daniel said to take country crock and use country crock and put country crock in some 5 to 6 beef bouillons, and then pack more country crock and double wrap it in foil. Put it in the oven at 300 degrees for I believe he said 5 hours. Let's see. Yeah, 5 to 6 hours, turning every 30 minutes. So what I've got here is I'm going to do it a little different. I took his recipe and I got to thinking about this, and I looked it up online. I saw a few other recipes and did a little different. I'm going to add 1 stick of butter. Okay, he said beef bouillon cubes. I don't have any beef bouillon cubes. I have got beef powder. Add some beef powder to it. I've got some Williamson Brothers barbecue rub. I'm gonna add some of that. Add a little sweetness to it. Some seasoning. Gonna add some garlic. Mix this up. And we're just gonna mix this together until we got a good paste. You see online where people are making this, and they're packing it in layers. Why pack it in layers when you can go ahead and mix it all up together? That way you know it's evenly distributed throughout that cabbage head as you're cooking it. Alright, I'm going to take the cabbage. I'm going to remove that cap. I'm going to pack our mixture in there. Alright, get it all in there. Put our cap back on. Set this out of the way. We've got all this that's left over. We'll take some beef stock. Just some old basic kitchen beef stock. I've got 2 pans. Put this in the pan. You want to just kind of bring this up. Make like a bowl around it. Not done yet. Bacon. Take some of this mixture right here and pour it in. About half of it. I'm gonna place these in the smoker. We're gonna check it after 2 hours. And there we go, they're in the smoker. Time starting now. Let's open this up. Check it out. It's been 2 hours. Oh. Man, look at that. Got a ways to go. All right. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to take this out and wrap this in full and let it cook that way. All right. So for giggles, I'm going to put my wireless thermometer in there. So it's 104 degrees right now, internal temperature of that cabbage. All right. Alright, let's check this thing out. It's been 4 hours. The thermometer says it's up to 181 degrees. I believe we're about good. I haven't opened this thing up since I put the thermometer in. Oh, it smells amazing. Smells delicious. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh yeah. I transferred everything over into this casserole dish. I just used these 2 utensils and just very easily picked right up. All right, let's cut into one of these. See what it looks like. Oh. Oh, look at that. This is the top that we used to plug it with. This smells, god dang, this smells good, boy. Let's give this thing a try. Sorry about the shadows and all the sounds going on. Oh boy. it's so flimsy. That is good. You know, it'd been good if I'd have packed it full of ham. Oh yeah. That bacon. All right. This is good. Smoke. Great smoke flavor. Wow. Daniel, this is a good recipe, man. I know I didn't make it exactly like you told me, but wow, this is good. I think I could eat a whole one by myself. So if there's a recipe you'd like for me to try, just do like Daniel. Hit me up through an email or on Facebook. So if you're new to my channel is all about saving you time and money with my how-tos and reviews. Y'all have a good one now and you come back.